Hey guys, today's video is going to be a fun one because Merit sent me their new lip liners and 2 new lip oils. So in today's video, I'm going to swatch them all for you. So these are the Merit Signature Lip Liners. These are going to give you a soft, natural looking definition. You can wear these obviously on their own, or you can pair them with their shade Slick Sheen, which is a total tongue twister. These are going to give you a wash of light pigmented color, and they have a pearlescent finish. There are 8 shades of the Signature lip liners and 4 shades of the shade Slick Sheen. Both the lip liners and the lip oils are going to retail for $24. These are launching on March 18th, but by the time you're seeing this video, they will already be out. So the lip liners are very lightweight. They do have the little sharpener at the bottom, which is very nice. So let's get to swatching these 4 shades. I'm so excited. I have not used any of these yet. This is the first shade I'm going to swatch, and it's called Bespoke, and it's described as a pink brown. Oh, it is very creamy, and I really love the color. As I'm trying to swatch this, it is twisty at the bottom, so this little sharpener is just to make it nice and pointy. Here is Bespoke on the lips. My swatch isn't perfect. I like this color. It's definitely different. It's not a color I would go to Sephora or Ulta and buy. Next up is the shade Coupe, and this is a cool toned pink. I'm gonna line the swatches up next to each other so you guys can see the differences. Coupe is very pretty. Here's Coupe on the lips. This is a shade I've been wanting forever. Like, I wanted something like this color for the longest time, and this is it. I didn't know it was a cool toned pink, but I love it. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I don't love pinky, really, like any lipsticks. Like, I never wear pink lipsticks because I always feel like they look horrible on my skin tone, but this, I love this shade. This is going to be my shade for spring. Next up, we have Mayfair, which is a cool mauve. So this is Mayfair. This one looks a little lighter than Coupe. When I saw this was a mauve, I really love like mauvey shades. It's just, I think they're so pretty. These blend out like butter with your finger. This is Mayfair. Mayfair is definitely a little more purpley. Also love this shade. This is another kind of shade I've been looking for the longest time. It's like Merit read my mind and knew what color lip liners I wanted. The last shade is called Sportif, and this is a warm peach brown. This is a very warm brown shade, so I don't know how much I'm gonna love this, but it could look totally different on the lips. And here is Sportif. I really like this one. I'm looking in the viewfinder and I really like how it looks on camera, and in person it's really pretty. It's like a warm brown. I would have called this like iced tea. Honestly, I really like the color. Like I said, it's totally different, something I would never get for myself. Here are the 4 lip liners again with Bespoke, Coupe, Mayfair, and Sportif. Next up, I'm gonna swatch the shade Slick Sheens, and I'm gonna swatch these on their own so you guys can get the full effect. First up is Pointel. Before I swatch, this is what the applicator looks like. It's a really nice applicator. This looks like a really pretty pinky shade, really pretty. It's a very, very light pink. This is very light on the lips. And here is Pointel on the lips. It's very sheer. I feel like on camera and a little bit in person, you can kind of just see like a hint of pink on the lips. I really like that. Very lightweight. It feels hydrating on the lips, and it's not heavy at all. The second shade is Twin Set, which is a mauve. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. And here is Twin Set on the lips. I feel like this one is a little more sheer, like you can't see the color as much. I'm gonna pair this with Mayfair because I feel like that's gonna be the best lip combo. And this is the Mayfair and Twin Set combo. This is a phenomenal color. I really like this combo. And next I'm going to do a little lip combo with Coupe and Pointel. And here is Coupe and Pointel on the lips. This is a really pretty, perfect for spring lip combo. So here's my final thoughts on all of the products. So I think these lip liners are great. I think they're very creamy. They're easy to blend out. The pigment is there. I cannot wait to incorporate these into my everyday makeup because I will definitely be wearing them just on their own because they're that good. And then for the shade Slick Sheens. I really like these. I think they're very pretty, very high shine lip oils, very lightweight on the lips, and they are not sticky at all. I just wish they had more of a color option, because the two other colors are, one is lighter than this one and one is darker than this one. So hopefully Merit comes out with more in the future. If you've been wanting to pick these up, I would definitely say give them a try. Don't forget that the Sephora VIB sale is coming up soon, within 2-3 weeks. So that's a really great time to pick these up to try them out. Thank you, Merit, for sending me these lippies. Tell me your favorite lip liner in the comments down below. And that is it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.